Hey Google. Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable hands-free use for Gemini on Samsung phones. So here is my Galaxy S25 Ultra, but it's the same also for other Samsung phones or other Android phones. And here we have the Gemini, the new chatbot from the Google. And if you want to use it, now you need to go to the app and tap on it to open it. And the question is how to use it without going to the app or using with the screen lock. And for that, you need to enable something from the menu, and I will show you how to do it. So here is the Gemini app, and here just tap on the profile icon and go to settings, and here go down, and we have here Google Assistant features in Gemini. Tap on it, and here we have Hey Google and voice match. Just tap on it, and here you need to enable Hey Google. Tap here to enable, okay. And now if you exit and say Hey Google, as you can see, Gemini was open. And also, if you lock your screen and say, Hey Google, again, Gemini was open. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.